Today, BangMung teaches you how to clean the Enfield. Oh yeah!
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah. BangMung. Howdy folks, welcome to another cleaning video with BangMung. Today we're doing the Enfield with the sounds of dishes being done in the background. Yeah. Oh, the glasses fog as usual. Get the lips free. Oh yeah. We're gonna do a little different. Get the mystery black box over here. So, we got the black box. And then we got new rag. Wow, it's red. Wow. It's red rag. Then we got this stuff. Gun scrubber. Scrubs your gun. Then, that's not what I'm looking for. Earl. And, not that guy. That guy's fat. It's almost familiar, isn't it? And Snark. We'll keep him for later. He is always going to be here. Alright, let's go ahead and do the bayonet first, because mud. Gross. Mud. It's a mud. Let's clean this fella. I don't know why I'm opening this to clean a bayonet. I'm gonna leave that closed. Okay. Oh, well. I'm gonna go ahead and reach into my secret tools of secretum and look for my secret tool that I'm trying to secretly find. Aha! Brush. Food's ready! Okay, we got our special toothbrush and Earl. This is our new character, Earl. He's been around for a while, but we're just now giving him a name. We'll squirt some on there and we're gonna brush the teeth of this here bayonet and fail miserably because it has no teeth. It's just a bayonet. Alright, now that's enough of the secret toothbrush for right now. Back in my box of secrets. To make a secret splat out my butt crack here in a second, but that's a whole different ordeal now, isn't it? Let's go ahead and Earl it. And rub, poop, rub, shart, rub. Look at that, it's nice and clean. Oh, that's a shiny little bayonet. That's a spot. That's a spot. It's not going away. I think it's there forever. What the fuck was that? Well, look at that. There's a bayonet that's been oiled. It's all nice and shiny now. Actually, really quite nice. Stick it back in the chef. And then put it somewhere. I don't exactly know where I'm going to put it. Alright, well, now that I put that somewhere, let's go ahead and work out some stuff here. How am I going to go about this? This is an awkward place for me to do this. We're going to go ahead and double wide our stuff today. There we go. Duel the chairs. With a different camera angle. Alright. Okay, you're moving this way now. Okay, back into my secret FBI box. Where I can secretly remove a handle of sorts. Ooh. And then I can remove this, which might work for it. Get my gun up here. I want to keep it. My secrets have been revealed!
Oh.
Where are you on the back of the gun? The fuck? How'd it get there? Over there. This is heavy. In case you didn't know. blood. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's a bit too big. Why is everything everywhere in this thing? It was so organized like 2 minutes ago. There, that should fix it. Little gulp. There we go, that'll work. Okay, now I need to find the spatula adapter. It's adapted. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and give it a good clean. Give it a good clean. Alright, let's see what we want to use here. I'm gonna use a little bit of oil first. Creaming it. I'm gonna open our bolt. That way all that can emerge. It's one of the smoothest bolts you can get right here. Smoothest, actually. Look at this shit. Boom. Smooth as a baby's rear. Okay, now we got the oil spooling in there. We can go ahead and pop the chalk on our gun scrubber and fucking lather that bish. Now you want to start it like a little small, and then you want to go the rest of the way. Something came out of there. This might have needed it more than I expected. I'm going to start it off like that. Then you want to take this off. Put on your adapter.
Bong.
Make it long bong. Now, will this go the whole way? It should. Especially with this on here. Oh god, do I have another fucking brown bottom bung in the chamber here? I think I might. Heavens to Betsy. Drop it down. We're gonna have to stand here, so you're gonna watch the fart fall. It's inevitable. Oh, it was inevitable. It's Chaser. Double down. This is literally the shit. Look at that shit. Can't even tell. Does it look a bit more muggly? I can't tell with the shades. Everything just looks like Mexico. I don't know. Well, I think that's good. We're gonna go ahead and take our pom-pom. It's already kind of grody. But I think I might wash this off first because it's pretty nasty. No, that won't fit. Too fat. Too fat for the race. Too fat. Gulogga. Gulglaga. If you could never make that noise again, that would be great. Damn. That thing looks like its life matters. Black lives matter. They do. Yeah, I think. God damn! I did all they really do matter! It's been soggy because now it's not coming off.
BangMung drives the green in his pink.
Yeah, I don't think this really worked. I mean, now it's just gray.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna try it with this guy, because now I'm starting to realize that this motherfucker really needed to be cleaned. I am learning. That was too small. We're gonna have to go with this boy, and then hit it with a snake at the end to try and polish. Okay, let's clean this motherfucker. Okay, this feels like there should be more resistance. We're gonna try and fucking ham fist one of these other pom-pom boys down here. Let's see you. Get on here. And down the barrel it'll go. Oh yeah, that really fucking needed it. Okay. Okay, now I know. Boar, snake, and everything. Learning processed it. Why are you coming undone? Who gave you permission to do that? Oh, fuck. Okay. Yowza. Oh, it's a good thing we're cleaning it. Alright, now I think it's time for the boar snake. I'm gonna lube this shit up good this time. Now. I mean, we got a lot of the crud out of there. Whew. Fuck, I almost went hit with this again. Double it up. Scrape even deeper into the gun. Yeah, I'm gonna get another higher, bit more stout one of these. I think that'll do it. Absolutely not, that's too thin. This ought to do it. Alright, yeah, that should do her. I have to lube it up real good because I don't want it to get stuck in the barrel. That has no good. Lube the barrel again. Or lube the entire top of the barrel, that'll work too. That'll do her. Just wish this thing was more structurally integral, you know? And this thing's already kind of bent. Oh, but not by much. Had to really pull that boy out. He's bumped against the ground. Uh-oh. Crisis averted. I was able to screw it back on. That could have been very fucking horrible. Oh, okay, time to hit it with more snake. Ignore it, that never happened. BangMung will sue you by law if you mention. And if you mention that, your punishment is death. It's just a fart, man. Where's the boar snake? Get off from under the towel! This thing needed a good fucking bath. Down. Now, is there a tighter one I could use? There should be one that gives a bit more resistance in here somewhere. Okay, we found another one, which happens to look exactly the same as the other one, but, you know, it's different, so. Let's do it the other way around. Maybe we won't do it the other way around. Do it nice and slow this time. Okay, at the bottom. And now we go slow. Real slow. Let that copper wiring or brushing drag right against that barrel. Ooh, yeah. Alright, now that is going to make a hell of a lot of a difference, I am absolutely sure. I might go over it again off camera later because this is fucking rank. I was unaware of how horrendous this guy was until today. But now I know, and now it is good. BangMung clean gun. It's time for a fast oiling process. Commence! Yeah. This is the part where Fast BangMung tells us to subscribe to BangMung. Do it. You subscribe to BangMung. Do it. Do it while it's fast. You only got so much time before the oiling's done. Subscribe to BangMung in fast speed. Ah. Oiling done. It's upside down, so that means it's done being oiled. Good gun. But as usual, that will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching me clean the fuck out of that barrel, because it absolutely did need it now that I have been looking at it. And yeah, I am the greatness that just voice cracked. BangMung! And I will see you whenever I upload next. I'm gonna go get dinner. I'm still going to get dinner.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!